Hello class, so I'm going to show you how to do your reading journal, which we're going to be doing every week of the semester. So once you get into the creative writing class, this is under course content. It should take you right to this page, but sometimes it doesn't. So you need to click on course content in order to get here. Course content, and then you will be able to see all of our weekly folders. Our weekly folders also sort of have our schedule for the week. It's Monday, Wednesday, Friday is our due dates. You can turn in stuff whenever, as long as it's turned in by that date. Okay, so for week 1, we are storytellers. Click on this, and you will see that there's already a link to our reading journal. It does say due Friday, fill out week 1 of the journal and save it for full points. For the remix, make sure you're writing for the full 15 minutes or until you've produced about a page of text. So also every week you will be adding to the reading log. Okay, so for this, we go into our reading journal and you'll see that there's all of our different weeks. Obviously this is week 1, so we click on week 1. Alrighty, and then we're going to copy. So you copy all of the text that is here and you click create journal entry. You put a title on it. So this title, I'm going to do Phoenix, Arizona, which is the name of our first short story. Just going to paste all of the text in here, and then you're going to fill it out, right? So the first question is notable quotables. So you're going to add in, this is a quote from the story. Page 6, don't forget to do your MLA format. You're going to track the climax. So I think the climax occurs on blank. And then the important thing, so this happens every week, there is a remix. So you're going to expand on a scene, write a new story, use one of the skills that we're learning that week, and write. I mean, it's a creative writing class. So write for 15 minutes or until you've produced about a page of text. Obviously, you can't really see pages here, but you sort of know, right? Write until you've got a bit done. So for this one, we're going to just expand on this scene and write something new. Have fun, set a timer. And then when you're done, you're going to post your entry. So you just click post entry, which is at the bottom, and you will see if you scroll down that here is your journal entry. Now, I mean, you can do this multiple times throughout the week and I'll be able to see every one that you post. You can also just save your journey entry. You can comment on it, but this is how you're going to get points. You get 10 points for every journal entry. Plus, it's just nice to have a little log of what we're doing. So that's what you do. Don't forget, you're going to come in here, you're going to copy, and then you're going to create journal entry, and you're going to paste. Now, the other thing that we're doing every week is we are doing a reading journal. So click on reading journals again, and you'll see that the first one that comes up is reading log. So for this one, our journal instructions is the same thing. We're going to go all the way down. We're going to copy this. We're going to create a journal entry, reading log, week 1. We're going to paste. And for this one, it's book or a short story title, right? So you should add in all the short stories that we're reading throughout the semester. So the very first one is called This Is What It Means to Say Phoenix, Arizona. It's a really long title. Number of pages, it's like, I don't know, 12 pages long. Short summary about a man who, with his friend, has to bury his father and scatter his ashes. Okay. Would you recommend? Yes, obviously I would recommend because I'm doing it for you guys. But you should also be adding the other books that you're reading. So if you're reading, I'm reading a book called Funny Farm, which actually takes place right here in New Jersey, actually in Mays Landing. If you guys have ever been to the Funny Farm, it's a book about that Funny Farm, the one that's local. It's about 250 pages long, and it's about a woman who rescues over 600 animals. And would I recommend? Yeah, I would recommend it. So everything that you're reading should go in here. So every week, keep track of the books, the short stories, the poems, whatever you're reading, the fan fiction, put it all in here. And then you post. And so by the end, you will have quite a bit of a log going on. Should be fun. It should keep us all on track. And again, I'll be able to see all of the posts that you do here. So whenever you do like a new reading log, just put reading log week 2, and I'll be able to see that under this one. So that's what we're going to be doing all of our semester. Week 1, week 2, we have the same thing going on, reading journals. You go into week 2, you copy, you create a new journal entry, you paste, and you fill it out. All right, guys, if you have any questions, of course, you can contact me by email. Otherwise, good luck and happy writing.